I'm Katie, I'm one of the registered nurses here at Blush Aesthetics, and today we're talking about Moxi. Moxi is a great treatment and is one of my favorites. So it's really good at using a fractionated non-ablative laser to target pigment and sun damage in the skin. It brings it up and out, so it leaves patients with a nice even tone and texture. Moxi is safe for all skin types, all ages, and all year round. So it's really great for our patients that are a little bit younger, so they don't have the biggest kind of price point, but they want to start working on things with their skin. Or our older patients that have done things like halo already and kind of want to keep those lasting effects maintenance-wise from their halo. Kind of the way Moxi works is primarily our patients will be sent a numbing cream to put on their face an hour before coming in for the procedure. When they come in, we kind of will go over post-care before we start the procedure, so they kind of know what they're looking at. They will come in for about a 10 to 15 minute procedure, just depending on the provider. During the treatment, it kind of feels like sparklers a little close to your face, but it is not painful at all. And then after the treatment, typically patients have about 3 to 5 days of what we call downtime. There's really little to no downtime with that. Pretty much patients just feel nice and dry, but they are sent home with skincare products to make sure they're nice and moisturized. So typically here at Blush, we recommend with Moxi, you do a series of 3 treatments, 1 month apart. That's going to help you pull up as much pigment and give you the best texture as possible. As long as you're doing the good things for your skin at home, like using your SPFs and retinols, you're going to see those lasting effects for quite a while. So if you're interested in Moxi, you can go on our website and read a little bit more about it, or you can come in and schedule a consultation, and one of our registered nurses can kind of go over procedure-wise for you.